Good Wednesday. Mirage by Robinson. Before I open it, Robinson was a knife company established, I think around 1927. Don't quote me. They paired up with Case & Sons. You might be familiar with Case knives. I'm not sure when they split ways or Robinson took them over. I don't know. It gets complicated. And I didn't memorize it. He wrote glass and it was under the sticker. Ha 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 ha. Really tiny, it just says glass. It's been kind of a dry spell with cookware. So when I came across this big blue box with a picture of glass saucepans, boy, I thought about it and should I risk it? Thing is, Robinson, the Robinson Knife Company has been around 100 years. It's no longer a knife company. Now they sell imported goods. This is imported. It was made in Taiwan, I believe, but it was made for Robinson. I'm going to stop talking. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. They're nestled. They're nestled into each other. But I was still expecting a larger box. Alright, so they are tiny because the lids are on one side, the bowls are on the other. I hope I have at least 1 2-quart. Maybe not. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Some water damage. The box said bonus trivet. I would be nervous to put a hot pan on a piece of metal. I have to say, if these are okay, I'm going to use them on the stove with a Corningware trivet. The handles are tiny. Oh, this is like really tiny. But you know what? That's not bad. Boy, the tiny one is really tiny. Let's look at a lid. Let's look at a lid. Oh, it's really tiny lid. Heat resistant glass. Made in Taiwan. We didn't read the box yet. Let me set this aside. Hold on. Here we've got heat-resistant hand-blown glass, heat-resistant hand blow, heat-resistant hand blow glass. Hand blow glass? Clear glass cookware that goes from freezer to oven, both regular and microwave. It also safe to use on top of the stove. Do not preheat the oven. It is advisable that you do not subject the quality of glass cookware to extreme temperature changes, blah, blah, blah. It's kind of like Pyrex. You don't want to shock it, unlike Visions that can handle it. Made and printed in Taiwan for Robinson Knife Industries. I was hoping I could find some advertising for this at all, and I couldn't find a thing. They do have Mirage knives, flatware with the acrylic handles. You can find those all over eBay. Oh, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. But it's freaking cute. I have no idea. I have no idea what I was going to say. Okay, this is for the handles. Made in Taiwan. Very thin glass. They'll still be attractive. Maybe I won't use them. Let's see. What is that? That's like a, yeah, that's like a half a quart. It's gotta be. All right, that came out. That looks like a 1.5 quart. I think. And just a piece of cardboard. Still very attractive. I think the band can come off. I wanted to make sure of that. I'm not going to try. I'd like the band to be able to come off so you could clean under there in case you start getting corrosion. I think the band will come off. This is a nice sized pot. Wow. Maybe this is a 3 quart. Could that be a 1.5 and a 3 quart? Or a 2.5? 2.5? We'll have to check. It's not broken. It's not broken, thank goodness. It's cute. Very lightweight. I was hoping there'd be some kind of paperwork in there. This is one big lid. Hand blown. I can feel the nubbin. You can tell it's hand blown. And this one has a little bit of a yellow tint to it, which is normal for borosilicate glass. Yeah, it's got a tiny bit of a yellow tint. That's cool. Put the lid on. It's very attractive. The handles are small. Let's put the handles on. Where do they tape it? The finish is crap. Maybe I'll refinish it. It's cheap wood. You've got a little metal screw thing there. I think I'll refinish these. I have time. At least the sizes of the handles correspond to the pots. That is one little baby handle. And it's pretty dirty. And these fit no sharp edges. That's good. You know, if it was really cheap, you could feel sharp edges, and these are completely smooth. I'm very happy about that. Little band goes on here. I'm glad the handles come off easy, so it'll be easy to refinish. It goes on easy. That band is a little flexible. Very lightweight. The lid feels like it's got good weight. Probably because of the nubbin. There is no marking on here at all. Put you on. That's a little rusted. Huh. It's a cutie. I think they'll look really nice once I refinish the handles. I didn't think this would be so tiny. That's pretty tiny. Still kind of pretty though. Hand blow glass, made in Taiwan. What do you think, 70s or 80s? Not likely. 60s is not likely. They stopped selling Pyrex flameware in '79, I believe. So this could be middle to late 70s. I don't know. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. End of part 1.
Who's nervous? I'm nervous. There she blows! Don't blow! Don't explode! I am a little nervous. Okay. I'm not waiting. Ramen in. Don't explode. Whoa! Shoots. Shoots. Oh, it's ramen day.
Okay, start with a piece of bacon. I've never actually put bacon in ramen before. Yum. All right. I watched a video this morning on how to eat ramen. Okay, here we go. Just slurp it in. Oh, oh. Oh, let's get a little broth. Okay. Come on! Whole egg in my mouth. Here we go. Oh. Oh, that's good. I've got ramen on my glasses. Ramen on my glasses. Bacon tastes really good in ramen. I'm gonna eat this. We'll come back with the saucepan after I've washed it. And we'll say goodbye. Well, that was yummy ramen. Yummy ramen? That was yummy ramen. I'm just saying. Ramen. Yummy ramen. Okay. They're kind of fun. Each saucepan has a slightly different thickness to the glass, which makes sense. You don't need to make this as thick as the one back there, or do you? So yeah, the glass is thinner here, much thicker in the middle, and thin again at the forehead. And if you know Monty Python, never mind. And what it is too. I'm going to look forward to refinishing these handles. I'm sure in their day they were low-cost glass cookware, but I think they're designed pretty well. I'm pretty happy. What was I going to say? So, blank. I did remove all the bands before washing them. The 2.5, which I believe, the band came right off. These were a little bit more difficult, but they came off. Nicely polished. I did not remove the band after washing this, and it looks pretty clean in there, but it's good to know I can remove it if I need to. Robinson Knife Industries. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.